Hi there, welcome to the UkeStuff channel and welcome to this tutorial video for the play-along videos of As It Was by Harry Styles, which has blown up on TikTok. And if you want to know how to play the whole song, what we're going to do in this video is, first of all, we're going to look at the chords you need for GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. Then we'll take a look at the chords you need for baritone DGBE ukulele. And then finally, we'll talk about strumming a little bit. Now, if you like the chords you see in this video, you can actually find the chord chart at UkeStuff.info, which is my blog. And if you want to support the work here, there are three things you can do. You can like this video, you can subscribe to the channel, and third, you can always buy me a coffee to say thank you for this work at buymeacoffee.com/UkeStuff. So let's begin with the chords you need to play As It Was by Harry Styles on GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. I'll be using this instrument. This is my Enya Nova that has a Neck Illusions fretboard decal on it. And the strap is a Killer Q strap that actually has the UkeStuff logo on it as well. Now I do want to mention that this song has been lowered in key to the key of G to make it a little bit easier to play on ukulele for many players. All right, there are only 4 chords in the song. The first chord is the A minor chord. The second chord is the D chord, and there are a number of ways you can play the D chord. My most frequent way of playing the D chord is to play it like a G7 chord. So I put my first finger at the top of the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and then my other 2 fingers, so finger 2 goes to string 4, fret 2 underneath it, and then my 3rd finger goes to string 2, fret 2, making a little upside down V there. That works well with my men's large size hands. However, some people will want to play that in a row, 1, 2, 3, like all the chord diagrams show. Some people want to use 2 fingers. Some people will want to use 1 finger. Whatever works for you, just don't play it with your thumb. Don't reach over and play with your thumb. That would be the one thing you don't want to do. The next chord is the G chord. And then finally the C chord. And those are the 4 chords you need to play As It Was by Harry Styles on GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. Now let's take a look at how to play those chords on baritone DGBE ukulele. For baritone ukulele, I'll be using this instrument. This is my mainland baritone with a cedar top and rosewood back and sides. The first chord is the A minor chord. The second chord is the D chord. Then the G chord. And then finally the C chord. And those are the 4 chords you need to play As It Was by Harry Styles on baritone DGBE ukulele. Now let's talk about strumming. Now, as it comes to strumming, let's first of all just clarify that there was no ukulele in the original version of the song, so there is no one single right answer. One of the top questions that led to the creation of these tutorial videos, rather than just making the play-along videos, was what's the strumming pattern? And the answer is whatever works for you, as long as it fits with the style of the song and it fits with the tempo. So if you don't like what I'm giving you as a suggestion, do something else. And if you want to simplify, do something else. That's okay. You need permission to do that. And if anybody tells you there's one answer and it's a song that didn't have ukulele in it originally, they're wrong. And the world has tons of room for you to make your own cover and your own play along that works for you. So please don't feel restricted by any one single strumming pattern. Now, with that said, let me show you what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be doing something with a chuck. Now, if you don't know how to chuck, you might want to go watch some other videos about how to do that. There are a million out on YouTube. But a chuck is running all 4 of your fingers across all 4 strings and then stopping with this part of your hand. And it ends up making a really cool percussive sound. And as you start to learn how to do it, you're going to mess up a lot. And you know what? It's okay. Failure is not fatal when it comes to ukulele. It's just not. So just if you're messing up, it's okay. You'll get it with time, practice. But that chuck is going to be important. So basically what I'm finding myself doing is something like this along with the song. And I'm going very slowly here. I go down, up, chuck, up, chuck, up, chuck, up, up, chuck, up, down, up, chuck, up, chuck, up, chuck, up, chuck, up. That's what I'm doing over and over and over again at a fast tempo. And again, you're going to want to say it super slow. Down, up, chuck, up, chuck, up, chuck, up, chuck, up. And then change chords. Down, up, chuck, up, chuck, up, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, up, chuck, up, chuck, up, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, up, chuck, up, chuck, up, chuck, up, chuck, up. And that just has to get sped up. And then faster yet. And then even faster yet. Now, just some tips with that. Remember, slow equals smooth, smooth equals fast. So slow means smooth, smooth means fast. So slow things down to learn it. And if that's too complicated for you and you want to play the song, do it. So if you all you want to do is sorry. And as a little tip, with my 5th grade students as they're learning ukulele, I do not really stress strumming patterns ever at all. Sometimes I'll show them a strumming pattern that might work for a song, but I don't insist that they play with it. I let them come to that themselves, and oftentimes by the time that I'm introducing something and they've had a chance to try it other ways, then suddenly they're open to new ideas and other things that they can use instead of just playing a down strum or just down, up, down, up, down, up. So again, learn the chuck, say it slowly. Slow means smooth, smooth means fast, and then you have it. All right, so if you can play those 4 chords and you can play that strumming pattern, you'll have everything you need to be successful on As It Was by Harry Styles on GCEA Soprano Concert, Tenor Ukulele, or Baritone DGBE Ukulele. All, by the way, again, lowered a whole step to the key of G. All right, thanks for watching the video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.